Have you done your homework yet? What are you waiting for? Parents, have you constantly reminding your kids of their responsibility? Are you constantly taking away kids' devices to implement consequences? Are you just frustrated sometimes because you just can't get them off their devices? Are you constantly have power struggles before chores gets done? Are you just sick and tired of punishing while their misbehavior is still continuing? Do you sometimes lose it on your kids so bad that you find yourself apologizing over and over and over again? If that's you, join us in our upcoming parenting workshop that will give you tools to create that harmony that you always desire in your family. So, my name is Oliver Levy. I'm your mindful parenting expert. I've been empowering parents for over 5 years to raise resilient, respectful, and responsible kids with fewer frustrations. Just click the link, the green link, anywhere on this page and join us as we host Kids on a Mission to Excel workshop for parents.